Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 and I'll show you how to turn off Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first you should go to the Google application. Oh, maybe that's something wrong with our connection. Okay, that doesn't matter. So now just go here on the right upper corner to this icon and tap here to the settings. Right now you'll see the voice section. Now just go to the voice match, and here just to turn off the Hey Google option, tap once on the switcher and here click OK. And that's it. That's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.